Maple syrup can be a powerful help for weight loss. Janet will provide interesting facts. Go ahead, Janet.
I'm Janet of the Obesity Prevention Center. Our today's topic, maple syrup, one syrupy strategy for weight loss across all conditions. Unveiling the sweet path to weight loss. Trying to lose weight often feels like an endless maze of restrictive diets that leave you unsatisfied and hungry. As you trial one unsuccessful plan after another, sustaining motivation becomes nearly impossible. But what if I told you there's a satisfying, sweet solution that could effectively support your weight loss goals? Let me introduce you to maple syrup. At first, it may seem counterintuitive that a syrup could benefit weight loss given its natural sugar content. However, emerging research suggests that pure maple syrup is abundant in beneficial compounds that may boost metabolism, reduce inflammation, increase fat breakdown, and regulate appetite. All of these effects can positively contribute to shedding excess pounds for good. Maple syrup's nutritional breakdown. A sweet surprise. Unlike plain white sugar or highly processed syrups like corn syrup, pure maple syrup derived straight from maple trees offers a bounty of protective nutrients and antioxidants that make it a shockingly healthy choice for those trying to lose weight. Maple syrup provides beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols, including antioxidants like quercetin and gallic acid. These polyphenols help combat inflammation within the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like obesity, metabolic syndrome, and diabetes, so quelling it is important for weight regulation. Additionally, maple syrup contains a number of minerals that help maintain a healthy metabolism. For instance, it provides calcium and potassium, which are essential for energy production, muscle and nerve function, and managing blood pressure. Maple syrup is also a source of manganese, which is involved in metabolizing carbs and optimizing cholesterol levels. Furthermore, maple syrup contains trace amounts of zinc, which serves several anti-obesity functions. Zinc balances hormones like leptin to control appetite and food intake. This mineral also aids in breaking down and metabolizing macronutrients. Maple syrup has a moderate glycemic index around 54, meaning it does not spike blood sugar levels as severely or rapidly as refined sugar sources like table sugar or high fructose corn syrup. Avoiding drastic spikes in blood glucose protects against insulin resistance. Maple syrup also contains L-glutamine and trigonelline, two amino acids that stimulate the release of insulin from the pancreas. This is beneficial as insulin helps remove sugar from the bloodstream and transport it to cells to be used for energy. Through this diverse and unique nutritional profile, maple syrup provides key vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids to support a healthy metabolism, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. All of these effects can aid in managing overall weight. Tapping into maple syrup's metabolic effects. The unique blend of nutrients and beneficial plant compounds found in maple syrup translate into tangible impacts on metabolism, fat breakdown, and weight regulation. Let's explore some of the most promising metabolic effects seen in recent scientific studies. In a 2021 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, researchers found that specific polyphenols isolated from maple syrup increased insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake in both human muscle cells and fat cells tested in the lab. This illustrates that maple syrup compounds can make cells more receptive and responsive to insulin, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. A 2018 animal study in the International Journal of Obesity showed that maple syrup extracts reduced inflammation and oxidative stress in mice fed a high-fat diet to induce obesity. By decreasing systemic inflammation and oxidative damage, compounds in maple syrup may support cellular function and fat regulation in obesity. In a study from the Journal of Functional Foods, scientists discovered that polyphenols derived from maple syrup promoted the breakdown of existing fat cells in the lab while also inhibiting the formation of new fat cells. By both aiding fat breakdown and preventing excessive fat accumulation, maple syrup may complement weight loss efforts. Researchers found that giving obese mice a maple syrup extract increased the production and release of an important satiety hormone called GLP-1 from intestinal cells. GLP-1 reduces appetite, promotes feelings of fullness, and regulates food intake. Higher GLP-1 levels ultimately facilitate weight loss over time. Through mechanisms such as improving insulin sensitivity, quelling inflammation, encouraging fat breakdown, and controlling appetite-regulating hormones, the compounds found in maple syrup have demonstrated scientifically validated benefits for metabolism and healthy weight regulation across diverse health scenarios. Maple syrup and satiety, supporting weight goals. One of the major difficulties that can derail weight loss journeys is rigid, restrictive diets that leave you unsatisfied and tempted to stray from your eating plan. This is where maple syrup can play a supportive role. Clinical studies have shown supplemental maple syrup increases satiety, meaning it helps you feel fuller and more satisfied after eating. In one randomized trial, participants reported higher subjective satiety scores after consuming whey protein pancakes topped with 30 to 60 ml of maple syrup compared to whey protein pancakes alone. The maple syrup increased satiety plasma levels of gut hormones for up to 4 hours after the meal. By stimulating the release of key appetite-regulating hormones like glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, maple syrup provides an extended satiating effect to curb excessive hunger between meals that can lead to snacking and overeating later in the day. This lasting fullness is beneficial for adhering to a structured weight management plan. Additionally, replacing sugar with small amounts of maple syrups simply makes foods taste better to many palates, reducing cravings for ultra-sweet treats. By moderately satisfying your sweet tooth with maple syrup, you'll feel less tempted to reach for heavily processed sugary snacks and desserts that can quickly counteract weight goals. Balancing maple syrup's sweetness and satiation with fiber, protein, and healthy fats is key to maximizing stability in blood glucose and energy levels, avoiding energy crashes that trigger more food cravings. But when used wisely, maple syrup is a tasty tool to support appetite control. Integrating maple syrup into a nutritious diet. With a compelling body of research indicating maple syrup's multifaceted benefits, how can you seamlessly incorporate it into a balanced, healthy diet primed for weight loss and maintenance? Try these simple tips. Get creative in the kitchen by swapping maple syrup for more refined white sugar in homemade recipes for cookies, granola bars, and energy bites. We'll reduce intake of simple sugars while adding antioxidants and minerals. Drizzle pure maple syrup lightly on plain Greek yogurt or oatmeal in place of table sugar or brown sugar. The yogurt and oats offer satiating protein to balance maple's carbohydrates. Whip up healthier versions of pancakes, waffles, and muffins using pure maple syrup instead of corn syrup or sugary fruit syrups. Cut refined flour with almond or coconut flour. Make simple salad dressings and marinades with a touch of maple syrup for greens and proteins. Maple's mild sweetness counterbalances vinegar, citrus, and spice. For sweetening beverages, use a small amount of 100% pure maple syrup in place of simple syrup or sugar to lightly flavor drinks like maple lattes, matcha tea, and smoothies. Seek out recipes that naturally complement maple syrup's robust, earthy flavor, like roasted squash, sweet potatoes, nuts, oats, and more to let it shine through. Moderation and portion control are key. While maple syrup offers benefits, it still contains natural sugar that can add up calorically if overconsumed. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons max at a time, measured precisely. Balance it out with plenty of nourishing whole foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats to optimize stable energy and a feeling of satisfaction. Small amounts of maple syrup can complement your diet when trying to reach a healthy weight. Maple syrup and lifestyle strategies for weight goals. While maple syrup may support your weight loss efforts from a dietary perspective, it is just one piece of the puzzle. Comprehensive lifestyle strategies are vital for long-term success. Here are some top tips. Incorporate regular physical activity you enjoy like walking, swimming, cycling, strength training, or dance. Build up gradually to 30 to 60 minutes daily to burn calories and tone muscle. Focus on managing stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, journaling, or music therapy. High cortisol hampers weight regulation. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep is linked to hunger hormones that promote weight gain. Stay hydrated with water, herbal tea, or infused waters. Dehydration mimics hunger cues. Squeeze in lemon or get electrolytes when needed. Create accountability with a partner, coach, or weight loss groups. Share recipes, troubleshoot challenges, and celebrate milestones. Monitor your progress with body measurements and before/after photos. The scale weight will fluctuate, but progress shows through. Balancing maple syrup enjoyment with healthy whole foods, active lifestyle habits, stress management, rest, hydration, and accountability systems will optimize your ability to reach your weight goals sustainably. A sweet addition to your weight loss journey. Rather than just being a pancake topper, pure maple syrup provides science-backed benefits that make it a smart addition to a balanced diet and lifestyle when trying to lose excess weight. With its stellar nutrient profile, maple syrup possesses appetite-regulating, anti-inflammatory, and fat-burning properties that complement weight management. While more research is warranted to fully elucidate maple syrup's mechanisms, the existing studies make a compelling case for incorporating moderate amounts into a nutrition plan focused on achieving and maintaining your healthiest weight, regardless of your medical conditions. By contributing key nutrients and customizable sweetness that enhances palatability of wholesome foods, maple syrup can be an ally on your path towards wellness. So next time you're looking for a better-for-you way to tame a sweet craving, satisfy your taste buds, or boost meal enjoyment as part of your weight loss diet, remember maple syrup. With a little creativity and portion control, maple syrup may offer the sweet strategy you need to finally reach your weight goals in a nourishing, pleasurable way. Wishing you all the best on your journey towards feeling amazing in your body. Let me know if you have any other questions about how to incorporate maple syrup or other satisfying foods into a lifestyle supporting your weight loss goals.
Awesome, Janet. Thank you. For our viewers, we encourage you to keep losing weight with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.